So I've got this really cool mini chainsaw. It has a brushless motor, loads of accessories, 2 batteries. It's really cool. Guardrail for the hand. You got gloves as well, and loads of accessories and everything. Let's unbox it and check it out and cut some wood as well. All right, let's see what's inside this portable cordless mini chainsaw. There we go. So here we have a manual and loads of accessories. We'll check them out as well. We have here the chainsaw. There we go. It has a guardrail as well. For the hand here, it has a plastic on top. If we can take it out, yeah. As you can see, really nice. So slowly take this out. As you can see, it has oil on the chain, and it can't really move it. It's really strong here. So as you can see, 6-inch blade, and yeah, that's the hand guard, and then this is for the wood, and you have this button here and also the safety. So if you don't press the safety, you can't press the button. As you can see, you have safety and then the button, which is really good for these kinds of tools. Now let's check what else we have, but let's put this one back. Okay. So we also have the charger, the ion battery charger, DC 21 volts and 0.8 amps, and then 2 batteries as well. These are the 2 batteries, 2 amps max, some specs right here, and here is the input for charging. So that's where this goes, right here, just like that. Then you charge the battery, and that's the other one, exactly the same. Now we'll also check this bag to see what goodies we have inside. So that's the user manual. Then we have a pair of gloves, really nice and good. You might need them when you're cutting wood. Alright. Then we have something else here, which is like frequent asked questions, which is really good because you might have like questions that you might need answering. So how to deal with chain loosening while using the mini chainsaw. Then you got the answer there. Really nice. And then we have this, most likely for adding more oil to the chain. Really nice and easy to add oil with this. Then we have a pair of glasses, really good for wood not getting in your eyes. Then we have another saw chain. So you got 2 saw chains in case one breaks. You got one on the chainsaw and then one extra as a backup, or maybe you want to change it. And also we've got tools, screwdriver and this tool, a wrench. Let's take this out first and let's add a battery on it. And now we push both buttons. And as you can see, it sounds really powerful. So be careful with this. Cool, now let's cut some wood.